ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It uses artificial intelligence to understand and generate human-like text. This makes it incredibly versatile and useful for a wide range of applications. This AI can help you with many tasks, from drafting emails and writing reports to answering questions and providing recommendations. You can access it in a few ways, making it convenient no matter what device you are using. First, you can visit the OpenAI website. The address is chat.openai.com. Here you can interact with ChatGPT directly through your web browser. This is the official home of ChatGPT, where you can find the latest updates and features. Second, you can look for ChatGPT apps in your device's app store. These apps might exist for phones or computers, providing a more tailored experience for mobile or desktop use. Using an app might be convenient for you, especially if you need quick access on the go. Finally, there are APIs. Developers use APIs to integrate ChatGPT into their own applications. They can use the OpenAI API to add ChatGPT's capabilities to their software, enhancing functionality and user experience. This lets them integrate ChatGPT into their own projects, making it a versatile tool for innovation and development across various industries. Before you use ChatGPT, you need to set it up. This is a simple process. Start by creating an account. Go to the ChatGPT platform. You will find a sign-up option. Use your email address. ChatGPT has different subscription plans. A free plan gives you basic access, but your usage might be limited. Paid plans like ChatGPT Plus offer more. You get faster responses and better features. ChatGPT works like a conversation. It's designed to mimic human interaction, making it feel like you're talking to a knowledgeable friend. You type in your question. ChatGPT then responds. Be clear and specific. The more precise you are, the better the response you'll get. This will help ChatGPT understand you. It's like giving directions. The clearer you are, the easier it is to follow. For example, you can ask about climate change. ChatGPT can provide detailed explanations, statistics, and even suggest further reading. You can ask for a short story. Whether it's a fairy tale or a sci-fi adventure, ChatGPT can craft a narrative just for you. You can even ask about complex topics like neural networks. ChatGPT can break down intricate subjects into easy-to-understand language. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. If something isn't clear, just ask for more information or a different explanation. If you need more detail, just ask. ChatGPT can provide additional context, examples, and even step-by-step guides. You can also rephrase your request. Sometimes asking the same question in a different way can yield better results. This helps ChatGPT give you the best answer. The more you interact, the better it understands your needs, making your conversations more productive and enjoyable. ChatGPT has many uses, from education to professional work, and even in our daily lives, its applications are vast and varied. It can help you learn by providing explanations, answering questions, and offering study tips. It can make you more productive by helping you manage tasks, set reminders, and even organize your schedule. It can even help with coding. Let's explore some examples of how ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in different scenarios. For learning, ChatGPT can summarize complex topics, making it easier to understand and retain information. It can solve math problems step by step, helping you grasp the concepts behind the solutions. It can even help you write an essay by providing structure, generating ideas, and refining your drafts. For work, ChatGPT can draft emails and reports, saving you time and ensuring clarity and professionalism in your communication. It can help you brainstorm ideas, whether you're working on a project, planning an event, or developing a new concept. Programmers can use ChatGPT too. It can assist with writing code, debugging, and even learning new programming languages. It can help debug code by identifying errors and suggesting fixes, making the development process smoother. It can explain coding concepts in simple terms, making it easier for beginners to learn and for experts to teach. It can even generate code for you, providing a starting point for your projects and saving you time. ChatGPT is useful for daily life too. It can assist with a variety of tasks, making everyday activities more efficient and enjoyable. Need a recipe? Ask ChatGPT. It can provide detailed instructions and even suggest variations based on your preferences. Planning a trip? ChatGPT can help with that too. From finding destinations to booking flights and accommodations, it can make your travel planning seamless and stress-free.